Welcome to Phone Doctor's iPhone 6 battery replacement tutorial. On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the most difficult, this repair is rated a 6. The estimated time for this repair is 20 minutes. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. Visit us at PHONEDOCTORS.com. Use coupon code YouTube110 and receive 10% off your entire purchase. Don't forget, with the original screw mat, you will never lose a screw again. Screw mat is available for Apple devices and most popular Android devices. You can also find and visit us on all the popular social networks. Let's get started on the repair. Step 1. Ensure your device is powered down. Step 2. Remove the 2 bottom screws with the pentalobe screwdriver. Step 3. If the glass of your device is shattered severely, it is best to use a suction cup to pull up the screen. Be careful not to scratch up or dent the housing when prying up the LCD. Step 4. Remove the 5 LCD screws with the 00 Phillips screwdriver. This is so you can unplug the LCD and digitizer flex cables. Then remove the LCD and digitizer shield. Step 5. Unplug the 4 LCD digitizer flex cables from the board. Step 6. Remove the 2 Phillips screws and remove the battery shield. Step 7. Remove the 2 Phillips screws and remove vibrator. Step 8. Pull up the 2 black tabs with the plastic pick. Pull the white adhesive tabs out. Note, if adhesive tabs are not removed correctly, the removal of the battery can and will be more time consuming. Be cautious not to puncture battery when prying out battery. Reassembly. Step 9. Insert battery and plug connector back to logic board. Step 10. line up battery shield and insert the 2 Phillips screws. Step 11. Step 12. Plug all LCD digitizer connectors back to the board. Step 13. Align the shield and insert all Phillips screws and securely close screen back onto housing. Step 14. Insert the 2 pentalobe screws back into the bottom of housing. Step 15. Power on your device, test the functions to make sure you had a successful repair. Then give yourself an awesome thumbs up. Thanks for watching. We hope this tutorial helped. Check back soon for more repair videos from Phone Doctors.